This RC Real Estate Group property video is presented by Kirsten McAndrew. First floor villa right across the street from the beach. Spacious floor plan with a private balcony full of coastal breezes and sounds of the surf. Large bedroom with its own bathroom. Nice furnishings and decor, ready to earn rental income and pay for itself. Pet friendly for owners. Close to heated villa pool. Beachfront amenities are a short walk or tram ride away, beach access, tropical pools, hot tubs, sun decks. Restaurant, poolside bar, market, pizza shop. Kids club with splash pad and activities. Owners play unlimited golf, tennis, pickleball, shuffleboard. Fitness center and salon services. Gated entrances, 24-hour security. Walk to dining, entertainment, shopping. For more information, review the details below or contact Kirsten McAndrew at 850-249-6100.